Ever sat down to doing your work, just like 2 minutes, and suddenly your phone got that one notification from a random app, and then you open the phone, you click TikTok through a reflex, and you scrolling your TikTok for an hour or even more, then staring at your screen thinking, wait, what was I gonna do again? Oh my God, I forgot. Well, your focus is probably a little bit broken. There was a time when we could read a book for hours without checking our phone. Now, our minds are used to switching constantly. Notifications, endless tabs, quick content everywhere. It's like our brain got rewired to expect something new every 5 seconds. Your focus is not gone. It's most likely tired. And every time you switch tasks, open a message, check something real quick, your brain leaves a bit of itself behind. That leftover is called attention residue, and it stacks up. So, even when you're back to work, your mind isn't really there yet. Fixing your focus doesn't mean quitting the internet and living in the woods. Start small. Try 25 minutes of full focus, then a 5-minute break. This is called the Pomodoro technique, and it works better than you'd expect, trust me. Turn off notification, all of them. Your brain is not designed to multitask. Close tabs you don't need. Seriously, how many of them are actually necessary for you right now? If possible, have a space, physical or digital, that your brain associates only with deep work. Even something as simple as putting on headphones, even without music playing, a little action that can tell your brain, hey, we're focusing now. Focus isn't about perfection. It's about noticing when you're gone and choosing to return. You didn't lose your focus. It just got overwhelmed most of the time. And just like any skill, it can be trained again, slowly, quietly, one distraction at a time.